a salad recipe that you want to eat every week. To begin, let's slice half a cabbage. Let's move it to a bowl. We'll add 1 cup of corn. Let's chop half a red bell pepper, and 1 onion. We'll add 1 grated carrot, raisins, chive, and we'll mix. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. In a bowl, we'll put 1 cup of mayo, 1 carton of natural yogurt, salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of mustard. Let's mix everything. We'll add half a tablespoon of sugar. Now we just need to pour the dressing and mix. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10 for this video. And our delicious recipe is ready! Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!